everyone, welcome to Babs Projects. Today I'm going to show you how to make modak. Modak is steamed rice dumpling, and it is known as Ukadiche Modak in Marathi. It is filled with coconut and jaggery stuffing. It's a sweet dish that is made during Ganesh Chaturthi, and if you follow me, I will show you how to make it. So for the modak, the first thing I'm going to do is make the stuffing, and for the stuffing I have some grated coconut, as you can see over here. I'm going to add that to the pan. To this I'm going to add some jaggery. If you want to know what jaggery is, just hop on to my blog and I have explained over there, and you can read about it over there. And then some cardamom powder. And now just mix them on a slow to medium flame. Some people like to add nuts, chopped nuts. They like to add poppy seeds or sesame seeds, but I like to keep it simple and just use these three ingredients. So this looks good. Now I'm going to set it aside and allow it to cool completely. So the next step, I'm going to make the rice dough for this modak. That is going to be the outer stuffing, outer shell. So for that, I'm going to heat some water. And to this, I'm going to add some ghee. If you don't have ghee, you can add butter. And a pinch of salt. Mix them and then just allow it to come to a boil. So the water is, you can see it is come to a boil. I'm going to take it off the heat now. Now to this hot water, I'm going to add the rice flour. And then just mix it. You can see now this looks like a crumbly texture. The rice flour is coming together. It is still hot, so I'm not going to make a dough out of this yet. Allow it to warm and slightly cool down. So I'm now going to bring it all together and make a soft dough. It is still hot, so I'm going to do that slowly. So just continue to knead it. And you can see how nicely it has come together. And that's it, just allow it to rest for a couple of seconds, maybe a minute. And then I will show you how to make the actual modak. So now I'm going to start making the modak, and as you can see the rice dough is over here. I have it all nice and ready, and I have this coconut and jaggery stuffing, and you can see how much it has dried up. So that is the consistency I want. And for this modak, I'm going to use this aluminum mold, which is in a teardrop shape, as you can see it, and we can open it. It opens to these 3 pieces. I like to use a mold because it's easier and faster to make the modak rather than to make it by hand. So let me show you how to do it. So I'm going to grease this mold first with some little bit of ghee. Apply some ghee on the inside. Now to this, I'm going to close this and I'm going to add the rice dough. I've grabbed around this much, less than a handful of rice dough. I'm going to stuff it inside. Don't worry if it's not perfect. And this part, you have to be a little bit careful. You have to make sure it is being, I'm going to push it against. And just remove whatever excess comes out. I hope you can see it. I think this is good enough. I have pressed it inside all the sides. And now I'm going to add some of the jaggery and coconut filling. Just press it inside. And take some more of the rice dough and just cover it on top. There. Now when I know that it's nice and secure, I'm just going to open it and remove it. And you can see how beautiful this modak looks. It's perfectly formed and I love the shape of it, the teardrop shape. So I'm done, I'm finished forming all of the modaks, and you can see how beautiful and gorgeous they look. I don't know if you can see this in the camera. Can you see all these ridges? I'll bring it a little bit higher, closer, and look how gorgeous these ridges look. So now all I have to do is steam them. So now I'm going to steam these modak, and I'm going to use my rice cooker to steam it. If you're making this, you can use anything. You can use a steamer, you can use a Instapot, or even a regular pressure cooker to steam it. And I'm going to layer these turmeric leaves because they give a nice aroma to the modak. And first I'm going to layer it. If you come closer, you can see it. Layer it, and then I'm going to place all the modak inside it. I'm going to cover it with a lid and then steam it for around 12 to 15 minutes. The modaks are done steaming, and I'm going to show you how they look. And they smell absolutely wonderful because of the turmeric leaves have added another layer of aroma to them, and they're absolutely beautiful. I'll cut one of this modak and show you how it looks inside. Look at this. This is the perfect ratio of rice to the sweet stuffing. I hope you enjoyed this recipe for Ukadiche Modak, and if you did, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel. And for the exact measurement and the ingredient list, I will be posting a link to my blog in the description below, so make sure to check it out. Happy Ganesh Chaturthi, and until next time, goodbye.